This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Juke. This crossover has a continuously variable transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, keyless ignition, a sunroof, an intercooled turbocharger, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: cruise control, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, side curtain airbags, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, and an automatic climate control system. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Thank you for considering Grubbs Nissan for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 310 Airport Freeway in Bedford.